this is a house a friend said they got for rent. They have to do renovations. As you can see why they told us that. Electricity is off, so I'm having to use a flashlight. Here's one of the bathrooms, the toilet right here. This area comes off of the kitchen. And there's some issues up over there with the ceiling or the roof. As you can see, there's light through it. And here's the bath shower area. Like I said, this is from the kitchen. So here's the kitchen area. Nice thing about the kitchen area is it's got a lot of counter space, as you can see. I really like that. And there's like a breakfast bar right over here. Problem is, the house has got problems with the roof. That's one of the problems there. Yeah, use some plywood or paneling up there to keep the wind from coming in. And many holes in the roof. There's one up there. The house is a good size. Oh, here's one of the bedrooms. Right here. Not too bad a size. It's good for the kids. A hole in the wall there for aircon, but it leads to the other bathrooms from the kitchen. And then here's the bathroom in here. Somebody decided to take the toilet out, cover up the hole on the floor. I'm not sure why, but apparently some issues with plumbing too. Oh, and there's the hole in the ceiling. Oh, that's where the light bulb is at for the shower. Okay. So again, like I said, the size of the house is rather nice. The kitchen, I can deal with that. A lot of counter space, that's good. There used to be a concrete ceiling here. As you can see, there's a problem with that. Oh, looky there. A lot of problems with the roof. It's a metal roof. Hole in the wall for animals to come in and out. It's all concrete. And there's a concrete ceiling. And let's go into the third bedroom over here. Electrical here is rather of an issue. There's some wires up there. Look at that. We've got pipes sticking out there. Rods. Okay, going into the, looks like a change room area from the master bedroom, the big bedroom. And here's the bathroom here. We've got a sink. There's a toilet. Looks like a modern toilet. And a pretty good sized shower area. Beautiful green color. There's screened-in porch areas. You can see the blue tarp up over there. Apparently that part of the roof leaks badly also. It's got bars on the windows the windows that are in the house do have bars on them. The neighborhood seems rather friendly. A lot of friendly people.